Hey learners, welcome to my channel guys. This is Pranshi Verma and in today's video we are going to learn marketing management, service marketing, multiple choice question and answers, and part 1 is already uploaded. Kindly check, and this is part 2 about service marketing. Okay, let's begin. एंड गाइस स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपसे कुछ बताना चाहूँगी कि जैसे कि आप जानते हैं AKTO एग्जामिनेशन का कुछ पता नहीं है कहाँ से और किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन आ जाए, बिकॉज 1 to 2 टाइम्स आपने फर्स्ट ईयर से फाइनल ईयर तक के एग्जाम्स दिए हैं, आपने कई सेवरल टाइम्स हुआ होगा आपके साथ के क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ पेपर भी कई सेवरल टाइम्स आ ही जाता है. So according to this, they all are model paper based multiple choice question and answer. They are very important, but please focus on each and every topic of your syllabus. Okay, now start करते हैं. क्वेश्चन 50 तक हमने कवर किया था फर्स्ट वीडियो में एंड दिस इज पार्ट 2. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, इसमें हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 से. ओके, सो इन दिस योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the techniques that allow consumers to either buy service A and service B together on purchases one service separately is called option A long-term building, option B mixed building, option C price building, option A long-term bundling, option B mixed bundling, option C price bundling, option D product bundling. Right answer is option C price bundling. Next question. Which pricing strategies encourage the customer to expand his/her dealings with the service provider? Option A relationship pricing, option B pricing bundling, option C benefit driving pricing, option D efficiency pricing. According to this question, option A is right answer, relationship pricing. Next question. Two studies suggest that price is more likely to be used as a cue to quality under the following conditions. Option A. When alternatives are of bad products. Option B. When the company new to the market. Option C. When a price is the primary differential information available. And option D is when a customer does not have knowledge. Right answer is option C, when a price is the primary differential information available. Next question. The primary role of service firm for the customer in the communication mix is to option A. Confuse customers. Option B. Inform and remind customers. Option C. Oppose the competitor's claim. Option D. Persuade the dealers. Right answer is option B. Inform and remind customers. Okay. Next question. The plan of differentiating the firm from its competitors in consumer's eye is referred to as the firm's option A. Communication mix. Option B. Positioning strategy. Option C. Publicity. Option D. Target marketing. Right answer is option B. Positioning strategy. Next question. Differentiation approaches such as competence, courtesy, reliability, and responsiveness are forms of option A. Product differentiation. Option B. Personal differentiation. Option C. Image differentiation. Option D. Service differentiation. Right answer is option B. Personal differentiation. Next question. The appropriate communication contained during the information stage of the product life cycle would be option A. Informational. Option B. Informational and persuasive. Option C. Persuasive. Option D. Persuasive and reminder. Right answer is option B. Informational and persuasive. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not a communication objective during the maturity and decline stages of the product life cycle? Option A. Encourage repeat purchases. Option B. Provide ongoing content with customers. Option C. Prepare the way for personal selling efforts. Option D, express gratitude to the existing customer base. Right answer is option B, provide ongoing contact with customers. Next question. Which one of the following communication approaches would be appropriate during the growth and maturity stages of the product life cycle? Option A, informational. Option B, informational and persuasive. Option C, persuasive. Option D, persuasive and reminder. Right answer is option D, persuasive and reminder. Next question. The primary objective of a firm's communication mix during the pre-consumption choice stage is to option A, sell the product. Option B, minimize the perceived risk associated with the purchase. Option C, encourage repeat purchases. Option D, pervasively convenience customers why the firm's brand is superior to the competitors. Okay, right answer is option D, pervasively convince customer why the firm's brand is superior to the competitors. Okay, next question. The perceived consequence of a consumer's purchase decision are option A, financial, social, and performance. Option B, social, ethical, and performance. Option C, performance, social, and ethical. Option D, ethical, social, and psychological. Right answer is option A, financial, social, and performance. Next question. Tangible clues are more important when services are option A, highly perishable. Option B, tangible dominant. Option C, intangible dominant. And option D, heterogeneous. Right answer is option C, intangible dominant. Next question. Which of the following communication objectives become the most important during the post-consumption evaluation stage? Option A, informing customers. Option B, managing customer expectations. Option C, reducing consumer perceived risk. Option D, pursuing consumers. Right answer is option C, reducing consumers perceived risk. Next question. Branding of services become difficult because they are option A, intangible. Option B, heterogeneous. Option C, perishable. Option D, inseparable. Okay, right answer is option A, intangible. Next question. Word of mouth communication networks are particularly important for service firms because option A, service consumers tend to rely more on personal than the non-personal source of information. Option B, service firms only offer one brand of service. Option C, service firms can seldom afford to pay for promotional efforts. Option D, service customers tends to rely more on non-personal than personal source of information. Right answer is option A. Service customers tend to rely more on personal than the non-personal source of information. Next question. The suggested communication strategy to use when the product is intangible dominant is to option A, create an intangible image for the product. Option B, create awareness for the product. Option C, surround the product with tangible evidence. Option D, make sure the product is in the evoked set of. Right answer is option C, surround the product with tangible evidence. Next question. Blank space is an overall favorable impressions on unfavorable impressions based on the early stages of the service encounter. Option A, cognitive dissonance. Option B, environmental stimulus. Option C, visual pathway. And option D, halo effect. Right answer is option D, halo effect. So, halo effect is an overall favorable impressions or unfavorable impressions based on the early stages of the service encounter. Okay, option D is right answer. Next question. The advantages that the e-marketing communication carries are: option A, reaching a widely dispersed audience; option B, being cost effective; option C, being personalized; option D, more customer satisfaction. Right answer is option A, reaching a widely dispersed audience. Next question. A disadvantage of e-marketing is: option A, high cost; option B, low reach; option C, loss of personal contact; option D, less satisfaction. Right answer is option C, loss of personal contact. Next question. Which of the following is not a component of service firm's physical evidence? Option A, parking; option B, employee appearance; option C, billing statements; option D, in-house process equipment. Right answer is option D, in-house process equipment. Next question. One of the advantages of requiring employees to wear uniforms is that it reduces the customer perception of: option A, intangibility; option B, inseparability; option C, heterogeneity; option D, socialization. Right answer is option C, heterogeneity. Next question. Which of the following is not an advantage of requiring employees to wear uniforms? Option A, identifies the firm's personnel; option B, provides price expectations to customers; option C, implies a coherent group structure; option D, provides a physical symbol that embodies the group's ideas and attributes. Okay, so right answer is option B, provides price expectations to customers. Next question. Is the study of the use of physical evidence to create service environments and their influences on the perception and behaviors of individuals? According to this, option A is ergonomics; option B, environmental psychology; option C, physics; option D, physical sociology. Right answer is option B, environmental psychology. Okay. Next question. Direct labor cost and sales commissions cost incurred in services are called as: option A, fixed cost; option B, variable cost; option C, average cost; option D, marginal cost. Right answer is option B, variable cost. Next question. The organization must effectively plan to blank space fear, uncertainty, and doubts that might occur in the minds of customers during the course of acquisition. Option A, minimize; option B, maximize; option C, study; option D, balance. Right answer is option A, minimize. Okay. Next question. Internal marketing deals with: option A, marketing the products to employees; option B, marketing the products in the local market; option C, marketing the products inside the country; option D, identifying and taking care of employees' need and wants. Right answer is option D, identifying and taking care of employees' needs and wants. Okay. Next question. What is mean by interactive marketing? Option A, marketing by interacting with employees; option B, marketing by interacting with dealers; option C, marketing is done by interacting between employees and customers; option D, marketing by interacting with top management. Right answer is option C, marketing is done by interacting between employees and customers. Okay. Next question. Consumers' response to environmental stimuli are characterized by approach or avoidance behaviors. Consumers' approach behaviors is defined as: option A, a desire to stay in the market; option B, a desire to explore many products; Option C, a desire to communicate with society. Option D, feelings of satisfaction. Right answer is option B, a desire to explore many products. Next question. In order to improve the process and performance of the company towards the customers, they should try to option A, modernize the building. Option B, modernize the product. Option C, reduce the waiting time by adopting the reservation system. And option D, asking customer to come another time. Right answer is option C, reduce the waiting time by adopting the reservation system. Okay guys, next question. When developing services spaces, firms recognize that their physical environment will affect employees and customers. This is primarily due to option A, reflect the quality at all spheres. Option B, intangibility. Option C, heterogeneity. Option D, perishability. So right answer is option A, reflect the quality at all spheres. Okay, next question. Consumers who seek convenience over price and personal attention are option A, economic customers. Option B, personalized customers. Option C, apathetic customers. Option D, ethical customers. Right answer is option B, personalized customers. Next question, question number 82. Which of the following is not an example of an ambient condition in a retail environment? Option A, music. Option B, science. Option C, scans. Option D, lightning. Right answer is option A, music. Next question. Ambient conditions will have the least effect on customers' behaviors in which of the following service escapes? Option A bakery shop. Option B, an air-conditioned hotel. An air-conditioned hotel. Option C, an open 5-story parking garage. Option D, bookstore with an in-store coffee cart. Right answer is option C, an open 5-story parking garage. Next question. In an blank space environment, the service employees are physically present while customers are involved in the service production process at an arm's length. Option A, self-service. Option B, vertical service. Option C, remote service. Option D, sellable service. Right answer is option A, self-service. Next question. Blank space is the customer composite of mental images of the service firm's physical facilities. Option A, internal response moderators. Option B, perceived service gap. Option C, cognitive response. Option D, emotional response. Right answer is option B, perceived service gap. Next question. Total customers value consists of all of the following components except, okay, option A, product value. Option B, personal value. Option C, image value. Option D, time value. Right answer is option B, personal value. Next question. The emotional states of pleasure, displeasure, arousal, non-arousal, and dominance, submissiveness are types of option A, internal response mediators. Option B, the holistic environment. Option C, the individual behaviors. Option D, social interactions. Right answer is option C, individuals behaviors. Okay. Next question. Doing promotional activity is difficult in the marketing of which of the following service? Option A, leisure service industry. Option B, education industry. Option C, NGO. Option D, public sector. Right answer is option C, NGO. Next question. Consumers' moods and attitudes are types of option A, psychological customer responses. Option B, emotional customer responses. Option C, individual approach behavior. Option D, internal response moderators. Right answer is option B, emotional customer responses. Next question. Consumers' feelings of pain, comfort, and physically fit are types of option A. Psychological customer responses. Option B. Emotional customer responses. Option C. Individual approach behaviors. Option D. Cognitive customer responses. Right answer is option D. Cognitive customer responses. Okay. Next question. The three primary visual stimuli that appeal to consumers on a basic level are option A. Harmony, contrast, and clash. Option B. Size, shape, and color. Option C. Blue, yellow, and green. Option D. Red, blue, and green. Right answer is option B. Size, shape, and color. Okay. So there are three primary visual stimuli that appeal to consumers on a basic levels are size, shape, and color. Next question. To manage demand and supply, the company can option A. Ask the customers to wait in peak demand. Option B. Adopt reservation system to balance the demand. Option C. Divert to competitors. Option D. Deliver substitute products to customers. Right answer is option B. Adopt reservation system to balance the demand. Next question. Which of the following statements pertaining its colors is false? Option A. Warm colors are perceived as aloof or formal. Option B. Children appear to favor brighter colors. Option C. Adults tend to favor softer tones. Option D. Dark colors make large empty spaces look smaller. Right answer is option D. Dark colors make large empty spaces look smaller. Next question. Which of the following statement pertaining to the location of the first is false? Option A. Location decision should consider the amount of customer involvement necessary to provide the service. Option B. Low contact firms should consider moving sites that are closer to source of supply, transportation, and labor. Option C. The actual location of high contact service should be close to the street as possible. Option D. The firm's facility should be compatible with its surrounding environment. Right answer is option D. The firm's facility should be compatible with its surrounding environment. Next question. Managing the peak demand becomes difficult due to blank space nature. Option A. Intangibility. Option B. Perishability. Option C. Inseparable. Option D. Heterogeneous. Right answer is option B. Perishability. Okay. Next question. The service industry has grown many folds due to option A. Less growth in other sectors. Option B. More growth in all sectors. Option C. More affluence of customers. Option D. Effective marketing strategies of service marketers. Right answer is option C. More affluence of customers. Next question. Growth in leisure and entertainment service due to option A. More surplus money left with customers. Option B. Interest that people want to spend leisure time fruitfully. Option C. More support from the government to invest in such an industry. Option D. Growth of other sectors contributed to this growth. Right answer is option A. More surplus money left with customers. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true? Option A. Combination of warm and cool colors can create relaxing yet stimulating atmospheres. Option B. Lighter hues are popular for pictures. Option C. Darker hues are used for attention grabbers. Option D. Colors does not influence the consumer spirits. Right answer is option D. Colors does not influence the consumer spirits. Next question. Blank space encourage quick decision and work best for business where low involvement purchase decision are made. Option A, response moderators. Option B, scent appeals. Option C, warm colors. Option D, sound appeals. Right answer is option A, response moderators. Okay, next question. Positioning map in services will help to option A, identify the position of the company on the world map. Option B, identify the position of the company on the industry map. Option C, identify the position of the company on the local map. Option D, know how the brand is perceived by customers among other players in the market. Right answer is option D, know how the brand is perceived by customer among other players in the market. Okay, now let's wind up this lecture, guys. See you in the next video. Wish you very all the best for your upcoming examination. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.